What's up? Steve here. I just got off the train at Da Chao To MRT station. I'm going to check out the Taipei Lunar New Year market on Dihua Street. The sign says you should take exit 1 to reach the festival. But I took exit 1A instead. No big deal, just have to cross the street and follow the signs.
5 minutes later.
What does Dihua Street actually look like during Lunar New Year? I'm starting at lane 307 and walking all the way to the main entrance and back, so you can see the entire market for yourself. And everywhere you look, there are colorful lanterns hanging overhead, which look even better once they light up at night. The market runs from January 31st to February 15th, and today's Monday, February 2nd. I heard this place was packed over the weekend, so I came during the week to hopefully beat the crowds. There are tons of vendors on both sides of the street selling everything you need for the holiday. This section is all dried fruits and vegetables, sold by weight, and yes, free samples everywhere. And if you've got a sweet tooth, you're covered. There's candy everywhere. There's dried squid in all kinds of flavors, and honestly, the mala spicy one is my favorite. Meizi.
对，梅子。
哦，可以喝喝看吗？可以啊。好，好。I tried this meizi plum juice, and it was really refreshing, especially while walking around the market. More dried fruit? Well, I guess I'll have to try some. The more I walk towards the main entrance, the more packed it gets. Looks like I picked the right day to come during the week. You've got everything here: candy, sweets, even chicken claws and clams. I gave the chicken claw a try, deboned, spicy, and super gelatinous. Not gonna lie, it's actually pretty tasty. And here's some more pastries. No idea what these are. Anyone know? Comment below. Here's mullet roe, a famous Lunar New Year fish. Mullet roe is salted and dried fish eggs, usually sliced thin. People eat it for good luck because fish sounds like surplus, meaning a year full of abundance. It's a prized delicacy in Taiwan, bright orange and often eaten during Lunar New Year. There are also lots of vendors selling things like plum wine. I tried the lychee flavored one. It was delicious. More dried fruits and veggies here. Now the lanterns are starting to light up. Looks really nice. You can even pick up handwritten spring couplets here. They are traditional decorations people hang outside their doors to welcome the New Year. And here we are, at the main entrance of the Lunar New Year Market Street. Yep, this is definitely thumbnail material. Okay, time to walk back up the street and check out what else is here. Not sure, but I think these are traditional cookies. This vendor sells strawberry Daifuku, soft mochi with a sweet strawberry inside. I got a box of 3 medium-sized ones. 我要3颗的那个中草。
这样子120。好。再帮我投这边。打开找880。
The vendor here trusts customers to put the money in the box themselves and take their change. It's a level of trust you just don't see back home in America. 好，
谢谢。
好，谢谢你，谢谢。I also spotted a celebrity filming her own show. Pretty cool.
Cool.
都没有中，他说来，我们去抽奖。他们去没看啊，都他不怕啊。
This is the Taipei霞海City God Temple. You can see people coming here to pray. That sausage looked delicious, but I didn't end up trying it. And here's even more candy, plus dried pork and beef jerky and all sorts of flavors. Here's some shibing, dried persimmons, sweet and chewy. Persimmons are sweet orange fruit with a soft, juicy texture. They taste a bit like honey and apricot. This shop is packed. They're selling almond pastries and you can see them making everything right in front of you. Passing by even more candy and dried fish snacks. Yep. Even more mullet roe. This stuff is everywhere during Lunar New Year. Check this out, candied fruit skewers, perfect for a sweet snack while walking the market. Passing by even more dried fruit. So many kinds to choose from. Here's a vendor with fish products and traditional radish cakes. A Lunar New Year favorite. Dried squid, peanuts and pistachios here. They've got all kinds of meat jerky here, including flying fish egg flavor. Now I'm at the end of the Lunar New Year Market Street, heading back to the MRT station. The colorful lanterns above make it feel really festive. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm so more people can see the video. And don't forget to subscribe for more content about Taiwan. I'll see you in the next one.